By now you must have tried many different kinds of mutton masalas, but today we are going to make something really special using simple home spices with a korma like rich texture and a taste that speaks in every bite. This is something different. No hotel style flavor, no overloaded of heavy spices. This mutton masala will turn out aromatic and absolutely perfect. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, for this recipe we need mutton. I have taken 500 grams of bone-in mutton, keeping the pieces slightly bigger than normal. Wash it thoroughly with water 3 to 4 times, then keep it aside. Now for the whole spices, take half tablespoon cumin seeds, 8 to 12 black peppercorns, 2 large black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 small pieces of cinnamon and 4 cloves. Here I have also prepared a puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes and keep it aside. Next, take 5 medium-sized onions and slice them finely like this. You can adjust the quantity of onions depending on how thick or rich you want the gravy. Now let's prepare the special masala paste. For this, take around 20 grams of ginger, 20 grams of garlic cloves, 1 fresh red chili and 4 dried Kashmiri red chilies. Add a little water and grind everything into a very smooth paste and keep it aside. I am making this dish in a pressure cooker, but you can also cook it in an open pan if you prefer. Heat about 100 ml oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add all the whole spices. When the spices crackle well, add the sliced onions. Fry the onions on medium to high flame for about 2 minutes. Do not brown the onions, fry them only until they turn soft and translucent. As you can see, the onions have softened and turned translucent. Now add the washed mutton. Fry the mutton on high flame for about 15 to 20 seconds in the hot oil. As soon as the mutton slightly changes color, add salt to taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. After adding the spices, keep the flame high again and fry everything together for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now add the prepared masala paste and also add the tomato puree. After adding both, mix everything well on high flame. Then reduce the flame to very low. Cover the pressure cooker like this and cook the masala with the mutton until the raw smell disappears and the oil starts separating from the masala. So after cooking on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, you can see that the masala has released oil and the rawness is completely gone. I don't want too much gravy here, so I will add only half a glass of water. You can add water according to how much gravy you prefer. After adding water, mix once again and close the pressure cooker with the lid. First, let one whistle come on high flame, then cook for 5 whistles on low flame. So after total of 6 whistles, you can see how beautifully cooked this mutton is with a rich and flavorful gravy. Garnish with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and green chilies. Look at the gravy texture, it's completely korma style with a desi flavor that's slightly different and truly special. You can also check the mutton, it has become extremely soft and tender. So do try this easy desi style special mutton masala made with simple home spices and a unique taste. If you like the recipe, like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.